A very good morning to my examiner, Dr. Bong Chih, and my supervisor, Mr. Mohamad Nazri bin Khairuddin. For the final project, my title is about myPembeli Personal Shopper Mobile Application System Automated Approach Identifying Personal Shopper. The introduction about this project is between the client and the supermarket. The client is doing the shopping through this system and hire a personal shopper to do their grocery service. It is happen in the supermarket on a daily basis where the personal shopper go buy grocery in the supermarket, deliver it to the client at home. The problem statement that I found why my personal shopper app is important because some elderly people could not drive or even have their transportation, which happen also among students lives far from city. It is time consuming when arrive at the supermarket due to terrible traffic jam. Waste a lot of effort to go into the supermarket, need to pick up the trolley cart or basket, then walk entire supermarket area while search for an item. The methodology that I have used for my proposed project is using rapid application development. This methodology helps me on my workflow during the final year project period. It define project requirements, means gather project requirement with clients. Second, going to the prototype, rapidly produce a working design that can demonstrated to the client. The rapid nature of releases means errors likely to be discovered. Thirdly, it will go to the testing. The testing plays important roles in the process of application development. Must make sure the proposed system delivers the objectives. It will go route into feedback, ask the user to test the system, to give feedback to the developers. Finally, finalize the product. All implementation helps to improve stability and maintainability when the produce is finalized for release onto the market. Now I would like to demo my project. This is my Pembeli apps. First, user need to sign in into the apps by clicking the sign up button. I will be using the Android interface here. So user will put in his name. I put my name Elvin, and the home address I will put as like Satok Kuching. Then I put my email and my phone number. This is just for demo number and the password to register so that user can log in. So I can see and I can't see it is in secret. I click join us. Then in this message says that check your email for verification. So I will go into my email. That the email I enter is my Gmail, and as you can see there's a message from the server. I'm using Firebase server, so I will click this link to verify it. So it was successful to verify it. Then I will then I turn back to this login page. I register. I log in my email that I have registered, as well as the password is the same. Then I click login. This is the profile that based from the registration that took from this Firebase here. I need to refresh my Firebase, and as you can see, this is the authentication from the email. And in the Firebase database, or we call it Firestore, it will create a new user that it's stored in this database. All of my information are in this Firebase server. Then if I'm staying in a new address or I move to a new house, I can edit my profile by clicking this button. If I'm moving to Matang Jaya, I will then edit to Matang Jaya, click update. It will successful and it will change in my Firebase server. This is the Matang Jaya. Previously it was Satok, now it is Matang Jaya. I will move to my homepage. This homepage indicates all of the products that are available in the supermarket. If I click this meat, it will show the list of the meat, category of meat, sea creature, and fruit. So I click banana. The banana appear as a mesh, the price, and the description. Same goes to the fish, popular image, and the chicken. So in the home page here, the data is from the product. No, not product, is from the order. The order here is all the category, is all the data, string data from product. There are 10 product in this database orders. Then if I go to search, this search is another category. It is from the search that all the list of the search. There are supermarkets, there are 10 supermarkets, and there are 10 products as well. So for this search bar, it lists all the products and the supermarkets. If I want to search for Elvin, this is the Elvin image, the address, as well as the description. Then I would like to change to products. If I search for fish, the fish, it will show the price, image, and the category as a sea creature. Next I will go to the to-do page. This is the list of the client or the user that the user need to save as a reminder, not as a not reminder. If I click on I want to buy a prawn, so I would not being forgetful, I need to go to Fale this afternoon after finish work, preparing for dinner tonight. Then I will go back here. If I want to add another notes for my to remind me, I will click plus sign. Then I want to buy satay chicken. I want to buy satay chicken, and the details about this title is pick at the nearby road of Jalan Satok, beside the bridge. beside the Satok Bridge. After I complete, then I will click add to do, add into this list here on top here. Then you can see that this has been successful being added. Then if I already finish my task that I've complete to buy a prawn, then I can click delete. The message pop up says that, are you sure? Then I will say yes, I'm sure. Okay. And to buy the prawn is already removed from the list. Next I will show about the location. This is the location of my current address. So I be living, I believe, at Stampin Tengah. I have to type my current address to get the exact direction to go to the destination that I want. If I want to go to, if I'm staying at Stampin, this is at 6 Mile, so I go to Imat. Then I click get direction. It will show the direction route from my current location to location B. If I change Imat Patukawa to the nearest, I want to go to 7 Mile. 7 Mile. If I going to CS Mini Market, I have to type the full address or the full name so that I can get accurate direction. Then we click direction. It will pinpoint the destination B from my current location. Next, I would like to demonstrate the shopping cart. If I want to order, I would like to order and click for one chicken, for one apple, for one beef, and for one fish. So I want to buy these 4 items. So we click the shopping cart. This is my shopping cart. This is the list of my shopping cart, and this is the invoice, that the e-statement that I about to save and to help to record for my history for myself. I will then click this printer icon. It will create a PDF file. It will pop up on the download section. This is my e-statement for the shopping cart. The total price of the 4 items that I have picked, and it will deliver to my address, or the person from the supermarket will deliver to me at this address, so that I will not, if I'm not available at home, the person shopper will call my number. The top of the e-statement is the company address, the details, where it's established, and the email can contact, all the website to look for information. So after user already download the e-statements, then user need to click the checkout button. After user have clicked the checkout button, a message pop up says success, thanks for your order. So cause user have the ability to continue or not. So after a user already paid and the personal shopper come to deliver with cash, then user has complete this process. Then uh, if user want to log out from these apps, user need to click log out. It will then show from the first interface, that is login page. The objective that based on my proposed project is to implement a systematic content for easier customer item inventory management using catalog content while inclined toward needs and wants. My second objective is to establish a catalog concept by automated approach for simplifying customer handle preference list of aspect when store purchase item, convert it to become e-statement. My first objective is already been achieved. The proposed mobile application called myPembeli has myPembeli has the features of making note reminder when forgetting important tasks need and want to be done. Furthermore, it also capable searching and viewing the list of preference via catalog content. For the second objective is also been achieved. The user can purchase for the specific order when scrolling through the list of items being displayed and make add into the shopping cart. Once prepared, all purchase item about to submit to do checkout and able to generate e-statement. This usability testing, I asked my friend to help me do testing. My friend is the same school with me, same age with me as two. He described my application app is easy to use, is average. My myPembeli app interface is clear and user friendly, is average to him too. Third, buttons of the mobile app is labeled correctly well. My friend can interact the interface with the buttons accordingly correct. Fourth, my myPembeli app order receipt is useful and noticeable details is labeled as good. The last test is my myPembeli app content include easily to understand and convenient, is also good for him. It only takes just roughly 20 minutes to venture to survey to test my proposed application system. He thought it very good. He thought it very creative. He thought it very nice. The future works regarding about my myPembeli apps. I hope to expand the mobile application to other platforms such as iOS and website platform. Second, include personal shopper on mobile application so that more interaction between users. My capability is just average. My skill, however, I would like to improve myself to do more skill, a lot more hard work, a lot more thinking and hard work to do this personal shopper mobile application. The last feature work is involve online banking, make easier transaction where user does not have cash on hand that require withdraw at the ATM machine. I hope my proposed application will able to integrate with the bank. We able to make client easier to not just handle with cash but also with online banking. Thank you for listening to my presentation.